we're going to show you how you can easily remove and uninstall apps or programs on your Mac. So if you have a MacBook Pro, a MacBook Air, or another Mac product, but you don't know how to uninstall and delete applications from it, then follow my steps because I'll show you how to do just that. The first thing that you have to do before deleting your app or program is to open the Finder option at the bottom left of your screen. Once Finder opens, you want to select the Applications section at the left side of your screen. This will open a list of all the different apps and programs you have installed on your macOS device. Let's say I want to delete or uninstall this 1Password application because I don't want to use it anymore. All I have to do is to right-click on it if I have a mouse connected to my Mac, but if you don't have a mouse, then click on it with 2 fingers until this menu pops up. Select the Move to Bin option, but alternatively, you can just select the app which you want to remove and then drag it into the trash can or the bin. They will then ask you for your Mac password so they can confirm that it's you, so just enter your password and then the application or program will be into your bin. You then want to open the bin, and as you can see, here is my app. Simply click on this empty button at the top right of the screen and your app will be removed from the bin, and it will also be uninstalled from the Mac. Sometimes there may be some parts of the app that are left behind on your Mac, so you want to click on this little icon in order to search for the application. If there are some parts, just repeat the process, and that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you soon!